What's up, guys? DigiMonkeyYT here. Today we're going to be carrying another Xbox player to Vicroy 30 plus kill with another thick ass skin. Yo, you can get those in the fucking lobby? I didn't even know that though. Like, what the hell? Alright, Venus and I are up to another job today. Alright, boys. Alright, let's go. Let's go! Alright, we'll be dropping today. Salty's always good, but I think we should switch it up. Go Pleasant today. Yeah, I think Pleasant would be good. Alright. Let's go. Alright. I'll go Modern House. Ooh. Oh, and there's a henchman there too. There's a henchman there too. Did it. Did it. It's a good job. Yo, bro, this scandal. It's scandal. Let's go. Alright, we better get the dub. Let's go. Alright, oh, let me go get this chest. Alright, let's go. Oh, I hear footsteps. It's probably a henchman. Yeah, it's a henchman. Oh shit, I think he sees me. Oh, penis. Oh. Yo, Venus, I need some help, bro. Oh, thank you. Oh. Nice kill, bro. Nice kill, bro. Ooh. Let me grab that. Oh, shit, another one. Oh. Headshot. Whoa. Oh, here's some people. Oh. Hit that. Oh, no. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh my god. Ooh. Alright. Oh, right here. Right here. Dun. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Oh, I hear shots. You see, got him? Let's go. Let's go. Which house is it? Oh, they're in the yellow one. Yo, let me toss some nadies through the window. Yo. What a kill, bro! Oh, give me that. Give me them. Give me them toes. Give me them toes. Nah, just kidding, bro. Alright, let me grab this for a second. Hey, yo, we should grab the helicopter. We should grab the helicopter. Alright. Let me just, I'll see if anything's here. It's fine. Yo, 3 kills? Are you running, dude? Really, dude? Alright, let's go, dude. Dude. Let's go, Venus. Alright, let's go get the helicopter. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh! Let's build up here. See some people here. Yo, footsteps. I think another one here. Yeah, right there, bro. That's 5 kills already. already. Parkour already. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, I'll go use some shotgun ammo. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'll grab the helicopter. I'll grab the helicopter because you have the heavy sniper. Hey, where are you going, dude? Okay, there we go. Here, get in. Let me grab that medkit first, though. Well, I swear I saw a medkit over there. Alright, bet. Here we go. Get in. Alright, bet. Oh shit! I hear footsteps. Yo. Let's go! What a snipe! Let's go, homies! Let's go, bro! What a snipe! Alright, let's go, let's go. Where are you headed, bro? I don't even know. Let's just go find kills. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. I don't think there's gonna be people over here though. That's far away. Let's get out of here. Oh! Get the dude! That's fucking off, dude! Dude, gnarly! Oh my god! What a snipe! Oh, dude! What a fucking kill that was! Alright, there has to be people here somewhere. Alright, let's go. Let's go, dude. Ooh, llama! Ooh! Llama! Ooh! 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 Oh, wait. Oh, shit. I think there's more people over here. Kills matter most. Oh shit. Oh! Yo, people, yo! Let's go. Let's get him. Let's go. Let's get him. Let's go. Yo, get out. Yo, get him. Yo. Give me that. Give me them tools. Give me them tools. Give me that, bruh. Give me that. Oh shit. Yo, rest please, dude. Oh my god, dude. Oh, dude. Let's go, dude. Let me get the medkit. Yo, what the hell was that, bro? Let me take the medkit. Oh my god, dude. Whoa, and I got minis. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get the helicopter. Let's go. Alright, let me go in that kid so I can carry it. Oh. Let me get in real quick. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot the llama. There's a llama over there. There's a llama. Get the llama, dude. Dude, there is. Just go get it. Okay, let me get out real quick. Let me get out right quick. You always gotta search the llama. You can't fucking break that shit, bitch. Alright, grab all that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's get this bitch. We're going out there. Let's go. Oh shit, the henchmen, they be here. Ooh. Let's go. I'm about to kill this henchman. Let's go, bro. Oh, heavy sniper! Let's go! Alright, let's go. Let's get this. Let's get this. Let's get that new French helicopter as well. New French helicopter. Oh. Alright guys, let's get this fucking dog. New helicopter. Let's get this old raggedy shit out of here. Woo! Oh my god, dude. Let's go. Hey, Venus, you drive so I can snipe kids. Yo. Yeah, let's get some fucking kids. Let's get this drop first. Let's go. No, I don't think there is anybody in Craggy. It looks unlooted. So there's probably nobody. Let's get this drop. Oh wait, there's another one. Let's get the other one. Let's go! Let's get that drop, bro. Hope there's an AR. Kinda need a new one. Oh! It's a shotty! Let's go! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Oh, Fortnite. Oh, you somebody shooting at us! Oh! Oh, fuck. Alright, I'm hitting him again. I'm hitting him. Right here. Oh, you're dead! Oh! Let's go! Oh my god, dude! Let's go, dude! Let's go! Hey, I think there's more people up here, guys. Oh, yeah. The thing got looted. Oh, yeah, more people. Let's go. Okay, you're in there. Hey, more people rolling up! Ow! Oi! Ow! You're dead! Ow! Oh, god, shit. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Dicky Munchy, YT here. Like, subscribe, comment, you already know. Love you guys.